In June last year, Lagos State government declared a cholera outbreak with clinical features of suspected cases. In July 2024, the state recorded 1,661 cases, including 70 confirmed ones, and 58 deaths of cholera, which is attributed to poor sanitation and water contamination.
The moment we all have been waiting for.
As part of efforts to tackle the issue of cholera, the Lagos State government, in collaboration with the United Nations Industrial Development Organization and the government of Japan, is inaugurating an inception meeting for a project titled the Emergency Capacity Building of the Informal Food and Water Vendors and Waste Workers in Flood-Affected Lagos to combat cholera outbreaks.
We know that we're all working towards the same goal, and we hope to achieve this one goal of keeping Lagos safe and preventing, or at the very least, reducing the burden of environment-related diseases.
This project is designed to support Lagos State's efforts in responding to cholera outbreaks with effective prevention and containment measures while promoting inclusive and sustainable industrial development.
The federal, State Ministry of Environment and Health is also working with the Lagos State Environmental Protection Agency to ensure that the informal vendors and waste workers are well educated about cholera transmission.
This project is not just about emergency responses. It's about building resilience. It's about investing in capacity building, strengthening capacity to contain disease outbreaks. It's also about empowerment and laying a strong foundation for a long-term development.
At the health district, the healthcare workers continue to work tirelessly, as well as the health educators, to enlighten our people, to let our people understand the importance of hygiene, proper hygiene, as well as the issues surrounding open defecation, which is a key problem for us. And that is one of the reasons why we had this huge number of events during the flooding last year.
UNIDO and the government of Japan is supporting the Lagos State government with grants.
We tasked this project to UNIDO with an objective to linking it to Nigeria's sustainable industrial development. In this regard, I am particularly pleased to highlight the connection between this initiative and our ongoing plastic value chain project, another Japan-funded UNIDO project in Lagos, with the 2.19 million USD.
The objective is to support Lagos State to respond to cholera outbreak emergencies with effective prevention and containment measures, and to continue pursuing its inclusive and sustainable industrial.
Also, we will be testing water, from different sources, potable water from different sources around Lagos. The ones that we find that do not meet up to standard, we will give them chlorine tablets or anything to help them treat the water for potability, particularly those that handle food for groups of more than 5 people.
For the keynote address,
the State Commissioner for Environment and Water Resources asked the people to become hygiene ambassadors by advocating improved sanitation infrastructure across the state.
The initiative will align with broader urban planning efforts by advocating for improved sanitation infrastructure across Lagos State, including drainage system upgrades to mitigate future flooding risk, and developing more effective policy recommendations for stronger enforcement of public health regulations within the informal sector.
The 12-month program will adopt a participatory training model, which requires active participation of every stakeholder to ensure the success of the project and also combat cholera outbreaks in Lagos State.